If needed, locate it under or between your seats. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab and then open the pouch. Pull the vest over your head, fasten the strap to the front of the vest, and pull on the strap to adjust the vest securely around your waist. After exiting the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest, or veiling your face by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest. Seat cushions can be used for flotation. Instructions for operation are outlined on the safety information card in your seat pocket. Refer to the safety information card for instructions on how to use the life vest for children who weigh less than 35 pounds. If necessary, we'll distribute life vests for in-lab children. Before we take off, be sure seat backs are upright, tray tables and carry-on items are stowed, and all armrests are in the resting position. And take a moment to review the safety information card in your seat pocket. As we complete our final safety check, let us know if you have any questions. We'll do everything we can to ensure you have a safe and relaxing flight. So sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight.